exercise 3.2 question 2 part 12, and question we have, and this is again important question, so I will write down important. It means you have to practice it, but it is very simple. Cos of 3x sine of 2x dx. You have to integrate this, right? So see, you know, in the formulas, again I will focus that you should know the trigonometry and derivatives very well in order to do the questions of integration. 2 cos of alpha sine of beta is equal to sine of alpha plus beta minus sine of alpha minus beta. This is the formula. 2 cos of alpha sine of beta. So here we have cos of alpha. Instead of alpha we have 3x. Instead of beta we have 2x. So wherever in this formula you will see alpha, you have to put 3x. Wherever is beta, you have to put 2x. But see here 2 is missing because the formula is 2 cos of alpha. So here we will multiply and divide with 2. So when we will multiply and divide with 2, it means it does not make any difference to the question. Technically these two will cancel, and again we have the same question. So 1 over 2, and then here we can write down sine. Just expand this. Now it is 2 cos of alpha sine of beta. So it is equal to sine of, see, alpha plus beta. Alpha is 3x, beta is 2x, minus sine of 3x minus 2x dx. We will simplify here. Sine of 5x minus sine of x dx. Now we have two terms. We will integrate separately. Sine of 5x dx minus integral of sine of x dx. So see, this is the important point. 1 over 2 will remains the same. Sine of 5x, right? Sorry. So the integral of sine x is minus cos, right? Minus cos of 5x. What is constant here? 5. So we have to divide it by 5. And sine of x, which the integral of sine of x is equal to minus cos x. So minus cos x, 1 minus, and this minus, it will be positive, and it will be cos of x plus c, constant of integration. If you want, you can take minus as common here, because this 1 over 2 is with this and this as well, so we will keep outside. It will be minus 1 over 2, and then cos of 5x divided by 5, and here if we will take, we have taken this minus, so it will be then minus cos of x, and this is c, right? So this is the solution, and this is the important question. You have to practice it. Thanks for watching.